Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export code from Google AI Studio. First, go to the Google AI Studio website on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the page loads, look at the left side menu and click on Build to access your projects. Now, from the same left side menu, click on Your Apps. Here, you will see a list of all the apps you have created inside Google AI Studio. Next, carefully find the app you want to export. For example, click on Flash UI or any other app you are working on. This will open the app dashboard. After that, move to the top right side of the screen and click on the download icon. As soon as you click it, the app's code will start downloading as a zip file. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded zip file to open it. Now, click on Extract to unzip the files. Choose the folder where you want to save the extracted code. Then click OK to confirm. After extracting the files, go back to Google AI Studio and click on the code option inside your app. Here, you can view the full source code directly in the browser and compare it with the exported files if needed. That's it. You have successfully exported the code from Google AI Studio and save it to your computer for further editing or deployment. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.